To make these healthy chocolate turtles, you'll need some pecans, some dates, some almond butter, some sea salt, and a bag of chocolate chips melted. Set your station up and grab a date. Using a knife, slice into just where the pit is so you can open and remove the pit, creating a nice little date boat for your ingredients. Grab a pecan and place it inside, and then you're going to fill it with your almond butter. Now you can use any nut or seed butter for this recipe, and the trick is to try and put as much nut butter as possible into the date. This actually works better if your nut butter is a little bit chilled. Mine was new from the store. Place it in the chocolate, and using a spoon, cover the entire surface area and remove. Grab a parchment-lined pan or a reusable mat, like so, and place your chocolate turtle on top. Now this is when you add the sea salt, and don't be shy with the sea salt as the dates are quite sweet. This recipe makes about 30 chocolate turtles, and that's using the Enjoy Life brand of chocolate chips. So once you're finished, place them in the fridge to set. Cut or bite one open, and you have a beautiful, healthy chocolate turtle.